We don't know if this is called chop or swell or just a horrible combination of both. We were told the first time we came here that dinghy paddle theft and dinghy theft was quite high. So annoying, so inconvenient.
There's a ton of boats anchored in the bay, right in the channel. I have no idea what's going on.
Oh my word, oh my god, stop moving!
I'm not moving.
You rolled into me. This week we start off with our last morning in Degnen Bay on Gabriola Island. There's Lyndon writing in his diary. Dear diary, it was really windy last night. We didn't get to sleep very well.
I've been up all night long.
I did not sleep barely anything. It was gusting a lot, and we were told yesterday by the people who own this mooring ball that it's meant for a small boat and it's not very strong, so I was so paranoid it's just gonna snap or we're gonna drag and we'll smash our boat. It was going down some dark roads, but I'm so tired. But we have to go, so I better go get dressed.
Yeah, we're pulling up anchor in a minute.
We're not on anchor.
We're letting go of the mooring.
Gotta go get dressed.
Good morning, everybody. We are heading out from Degnen Bay today. We had a great time with Simon, and hopefully we were able to help him out with his project a bit. We had a pretty breezy night, and we're supposed to get about 15 to 20 knots today as we're crossing the Georgia Strait, and hopefully it'll be a great sail all the way there. Just waiting for Tiff, and we're gonna get going.
We make our way 27 nautical miles from Degnen Bay to False Creek on the mainland of Vancouver. We have some needed chores to do, including a reprovision and laundry, and we want to pick up a few last-minute things we need for our trip up the Sunshine Coast. So, it's gusting. It's not gusting. It's blowing pretty good out here, about 15 knots in this little channel. So, we'll see. We did time it with the wind and the current, so hopefully we were successful this time. I'm so cold. I didn't layer up enough. I gotta go do that. But it does look like these clouds are blowing over, so we should have blue skies. We've been having some doubts about how well our repair went on our wind speed indicator, considering that it was showing only 23 to 25 knots of wind speed, but we were only comfortable once we put in 2 reefs in the mainsail. We're excited to finally be able We're excited that we're finally able to be able... No, how do I say this?
No, I don't know what you're trying to say.
It's really awesome that we can actually sail across the Strait of Georgia.
Or the Georgia Strait.
Or the Georgia Strait, I mean. Potato, potato. It's so rolly. I don't know, we don't know if this is called chop or swell or just a horrible combination of both, but it's very difficult to keep the boat going in one direction. We've been fiddling with amount of sail that we've had out, and I mean it's fine, but it's just you're constantly on, so I don't know, is this how it is?
I don't know, it's calmed down a bit, the wind.
The wind's calmed down. I feel like the big waves have calmed down a little.
Yeah.
It's crazy, so please enlighten us and let us know what kind of water this is. We are in English Bay again, and it's so nice out, so hot. It's so rolly though, so it's kind of an uncomfortable ride, but it's nice to be back. I'm getting so warm, I need to go change. It's crazy the temperature change from this morning. It's smoking hot now. So I was just saying to Lyndon that I think this is the first time we've come into here without our tarp on. So we can just see things a lot more openly, and it's really awesome.
It's exciting to be here and know that we're not going back to the marina after this.
I know!
Every other time we've come, it's like, this is the highlight, and then we would go back to the marina. So it's just cool to know, like, this is the start. After this stop, it's all like unknown.
So the anchor is set. It only took us 3 times this time. We still have to work on our communication when we're setting the anchor. I think we both have some different ideas, and that doesn't work well. But it's set well. We're just looking at this guy's swing, making sure that we have good distance, but yeah. Anyways, it's smoking hot. I have to change because I'm so warm. And then we'll probably go to shore and look around a bit.
Sitting on the boat here, and it sounds like, I don't know, something's going on. Everybody's honking their horns. What is going on out here? There's a ton of boats anchored in the bay, or right in the channel. I have no idea what's going on. Everybody's in suits and nice clothes. I'm in the same t-shirt and shorts I've been wearing for the past few days.
We bought a hammock yesterday and Lyndon just set it up. He's trying to get in it. Let's see how this goes. Hey.
What?
How is it?
It's scary.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why?
It's terrifying.
Why?
That it's gonna like fall. A bunch of the people on the ferry just drove by as I was like cautiously getting in.
Were you embarrassed?
Yeah, I smiled.
This looks pretty nice. Liking it? So recently Lyndon had to get crutches because he hurt his foot, and it turned out
I hurt my foot walking.
it was from his sandals, and he only needed the crutches for a day. So I've been razzing him about that a little bit. And then today he woke up, his foot's better, and then today he woke up and he can barely walk because his knee is hurting. Like,
Sleeping.
really bad. So we're hoping he just slept on it funny, but we had big plans to go re-provision today and go into town and do a bunch of stuff, but I think we're just gonna add a night to our stay here and take it easy, sit in the hammock, and maybe go get a coffee or something, but just pretty much
We're gonna go.
we're gonna go get a coffee. We're gonna just relax a bit and then tomorrow go get some groceries and stuff, so. Good morning. It's a beautiful day out. Lyndon's knee is feeling much better. So we're gonna go into town again today, but this time we'll actually provision like we were planning on doing. When we were on Gabriola, Simon and I bonded over our love for coffee, and he gave me some beans, which was really awesome. They're roasted by a family from Florida on their sailboat. I'm excited to try it. Whole bean coffee, amazing, freshly ground. It's gonna be so good. So thanks, Simon, and thanks, Rum Reach.
And thank you, Coffee Beans. Keeping this girl happy.
A link to Rum Reach's website and a discount code for your own beans is in the description below. Yeah, this is really good. Thank you, Rum Reach.
You have your hanger.
My hanger dress me up. So we're finally heading out. There's a bit of a breeze today, actually. And unfortunately, this happened yesterday. What?
We got to the dinghy dock after seeing a movie. Somebody stole our paddle.
Yeah.
So that sucks.
Just one paddle. We were told the first time we came here that dinghy paddle theft and dinghy theft was quite high. And so we bought a chain to chain up the dinghy. And I don't know, you just hope for the best that someone won't steal your paddles, because I don't really know what they're gonna do with them. So annoying, so inconvenient. And the boat, the little dinghy next to us had no paddles in it, so frustrating. So anyways, we're gonna drop the motor on because it's too windy. We're gonna head over to that dinghy dock today under that restaurant, kind of by the marina. And hopefully it's a little more protected. Good?
Yep.
Push this off? Stocked up, spent more on groceries than I hoped, but oh well. We managed to be able to carry it all, which is exciting. Hopefully our dinghy's still there. And then we gotta go back, get our laundry, and then go to the laundromat, get that done. So. It's another gorgeous night. We're both extremely tired from today and just walking so much. Lyndon's foot started hurting again when we walked to do laundry because it was quite a good hike away.
We had to take a taxi back.
And then yeah, we had to take a taxi back.
Such a baby.
And we also didn't get a few things checked off the list. We got paddles for our dinghy, but we need to get a marine or a cruising guide for the West Coast. So we have to go to a marine store tomorrow, which is in Granville. So we'll probably take our dinghy down there. And we hope we have enough gas for it. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy our night. Have do some reading in the hammock. Eat some peanut butter M&Ms. And hopefully I'll finish my book. So I'm almost done, and it's been taking me a very long time to read.
Get in here.
This is supposed to be a two-man hammock.
It is.
It's very narrow. I can't try.
You need like a seatbelt for it. Come on.
I'm coming.
Oh, nice outfit. Did you show me your outfit?
Careful.
This is so scary.
I feel like you're hogging this.
Are you kidding me?
I think that.
Oh yeah, this is
not
good.
This is for very, very skinny people.
Yep.
Oh my word.
I know, you gotta pull
Oh my word. Oh my word. Stop moving.
I'm not moving.
You rolled into me.
Made it.
Barely.
But how good is this?
It's good. It's a little narrow. Hope you enjoyed this week's episode. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe. We post a new one every Wednesday. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.